Do not remove the anchor screw before applying filler unless the product instructions say otherwise. When preparing a damaged anchor site for repair, start by assessing the hole for depth, width, and presence of old debris or loose material. Use a small brush or vacuum to remove dust and crumbled plaster so the filler will bond to solid substrate. If the hole is shallow, consider using a filler designed for shallow anchoring or build-up with thin layers, allowing full curing between applications to avoid collapse. For deeper holes, first inject an appropriate depth-rated filler into the hole and then insert the anchor while the filler is still tacky so the anchor sits in the cured material. This improves mechanical interlock. If the anchor is metal and you worry about corrosion, choose a filler that is compatible with metal and follow manufacturer dry time and temperature guidelines. For hollow wall anchors, use repair tape or a wrapping technique specified by the filler maker to create an external sleeve that restores shear capacity without enlarging the hole. Common mistakes include removing the screw and losing the original anchor alignment, which can cause the new bond to set with poor orientation. So, if alignment matters, either keep the screw in place as a spacer or mark depth and angle before removal. Another frequent issue is overfilling or underfilling the hole, which leads to weak adhesion or bulging. Measure volume roughly and apply in layers when depth exceeds an inch. A third problem is not following cure time and load ratings, which results in premature loading and failure. Always wait the full recommended cure period and use the filler rating to decide allowable load. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like anchor and wall repairs and helps people locate local professionals and peer advice. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, product experiences, and step-by-step techniques to make repairs go smoother.